They look like precision ball bearings dropped into the rock millions of years ago. Only they weren't dropped. They were formed. Miners in a remote South African stream bed pulled them out of soft, pale rock and handed the world an unsolved puzzle. Perfect orbs, hard metal, grooves that look almost manufactured. For decades, people showed the photos and asked the same two questions: who made them and why? At first, the story feeds the imagination. Ancient engineers, lost civilizations, tools that shouldn't exist in rocks older than life as we know it. The mystery tastes like science fiction. But mysteries invite work. Scientists took samples, sliced them open, and looked closer than any camera ever could. Under the microscope, those smooth exteriors give way to something stranger: concentric bands, tiny radiating crystals, a texture that reads like growth, not machining. The metal is not steel. It's pyrite and iron oxides locked into the rock itself. What if the answer is more astonishing than a forgery or a hoax? Imagine a chemistry puzzle played out over millions of years. Hot, mineral-rich fluids seeped into soft sediments. Around specks of debris, minerals began to precipitate. Layer by layer, shell by shell, a nodule grew. Pressure and heat reshaped it. Erosion polished it. The end product, a near-perfect sphere that looks disturbingly deliberate. That model doesn't kill the mystery, it deepens it. Some spheres show grooves and ridges. Some are flattened or three-lobed. Those oddities are fingerprints of geology: shock waves, crystal growth mechanisms, tiny fractures healed with mineral deposits. In labs, researchers have recreated similar beads by letting minerals precipitate under controlled conditions. Natural processes can, given time, sculpt metal with machine-like precision. There's a strange human beat here. We see order and reach for makers. We tell fantastic stories to fill gaps. But these spheres force a different awe: the patient artistry of the planet. Earth, through chemistry and pressure and time, can manufacture artifacts that fool our intuition. So the next time you hear about an impossible object from the deep past, remember this: nature sometimes builds tools that look engineered, not because something engineered them, but because the rules of rock and water and heat quietly make masterpieces out of dust. If this surprised you, hit follow and share this with someone who loves things that look impossible but turn out to be more beautiful for being natural. What else has the planet quietly perfected while we weren't looking?